The next day. The next day.
Mother, punong abala. Hello. Punong abala. Diba? Ang dami naming food. A is for effort. No. E is for effort. Ito mga chicken. Hey guys! Pakinggan na natin ang speech ni Anita. Bayan, wala akong boses. Naubo kasi tayo sa kasisipan for today's video. So, andito na sila. Papakinggan natin kung anong mangyari sa maasalama ni Anita. Ang punong abala number 1 is si Mother Grace and si Carol. So, makikita niyo makasamahan ko sa work. Guys, ka? Surprise! O, sit na there. Dali na. Mag-i-speech ka pa. Oh, no.
Struggling with Anita for the entire of my career. Because we are classmates.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. We know each other for so long.
So you should sit next to her then. We like you as a friend, as a colleague.
Oh.
We have...
She's honest.
Serious for
yeah,
5 minutes.
you are, we have always up and down for everybody. This is normal. This is normal.
Decision, but I don't want to really just say thank you. And as I said, it's a bittersweet decision. It's not a decision that I made, but it's my husband's decision. But then
Why there's no power? Again. Good luck, Anita. Good luck, Anita. Sa Anita?
Ano nayikuha ko sa kanila? Oh, parang ano?
para kaming ano daw.
Surprise! Ano? Surprise!
Surprise!
Ay, cut mo na yan. Visit ka. ayun na nga guys, nandito na tayo sa car and nakakalungkutan talaga ang isipin na alam mo yun, yung kulig mo na nakasama nung muna matagal na aalis na. Malungkot pa rin pala, no? Siguro, ayun nga, umiyak si Anita, pero kahit ako rin naman na nasa sitwasyon niya, maiyak talaga ako. Baka hindi ko kayanin pa magre-resign. Highlight. Lang. Isa pa. Yan nga, wait lang. Wait lang, ganyan para... Ay, ano ba yun? Focus.